Hey there guys, Abner here, back with another unboxing, and today we have part 1 of our Funko Pop Incredible Hulk collection. So we have 4 of our Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collections right here. This one is the Hulk from the Avengers, and it's number 13. This one is the Venomized Hulk, number 366. This one is the Gameverse Hulk, number 629. And this one is the Zombie Hulk, number 659. So as you might have already seen, these are all regular sized 4 inches Incredible Hulk Funko Pops, which is part of our collection. And now you know what time it is, right? It's time to deep dive and meet our Incredible Hulk collection part 1. So there you go with our first batch of our Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collection. And if you haven't noticed already, they are all bobbleheads right there. So when we say bobbleheads, it means that the head is connected with a spring, so it would be able to move like so. Really nice figures right here. So let's start with the Avenger Hulk, number 13 right here. So again, a bobblehead figure, a really classic look for the Incredible Hulk right there. Neat hair, and of course a grin or a nervous grin right here on the teeth, on the mouth part right there. Not a lot of details on the head here. If you can see the ears, there's no details in there, but the hair is kind of cool. It's a classic styling for the hair. And of course we have the Hulk arms right there, clenched fists, and of course the standard shorts right there. One of the feet right there, and on the back, that's how it looks from the back. So you see the head wobbling there, right? Really nice sculpted arms right there. So that's the Avenger Hulk for you. Number 13 Avenger Hulk. So this one is the Venomized Hulk. is a little bit bigger than the first one she have looked at. What happened with this character is that the Incredible Hulk somehow got venomized. So you know the Venom, which is the villain from the Spider-Man movies, somehow Hulk got infected with the Venom, and this is the result. It's pretty amazing if you ask me. So let's start from the head. So if you look at this side, it still looks like a regular Hulk character. Of course, if we don't look at the tongue right there, when it becomes the tongue, you already know that this is a venomized Hulk. When you look on this side, yeah, it's all venom right there. Even the eyes, right? I think the hair is the neutral part on this character right here. But when you look at the front, perfect, right there, even just the mouth and the tongue, that's really all venom right there. Really good details on the mouth and teeth. And of course the tongue right there, right? And we go down here on the chest, there's the Venom logo right there. Of course, most of the body of this venomized Hulk is covered with the black venom right there. And we can see some rolling tongues with teeth as well right here on his arms. And I think even the arms are more venom than Hulk. So that's the arm right there. You can see, even on the backside, yeah, it seems like the arms are thorn. These thong-like things around the arms of these venomized Hulk look like thorns, right? Yeah, and also some of it are spilling right over here. It's black in color, right there, and also this one, and continues the thorn-like tongues. Continues on this right leg right here. There you go. Have a closer look. Some of it are all still down there. Those tongues with teeth or thorns, right? Under the feet. There you go. And then if you look at the back, there's the Venom logo right there still. And of course, you can see all the parts of the tongue with thorns right here on all of his four limbs right there. So the details on those are really good. So that is our venomized Hulk right there. So this one is our Gameverse Incredible Hulk. So it seems pretty standard, like the first one that we have seen here. That one, the Avenger Hulk, right? So pretty standard head right here. Still a bobblehead figure. Actually too much of a bobblehead because it's way up there. Being a bobblehead figure, it really wobbles a lot. But look at that face. That's really expressive face right there. Wouldn't you say that he's angry enough? See? Perfect. That's the expressive face of the Incredible Hulk right there. And if we come down to the arms, he has some kind of a gauntlet right here attached to his forearm. And as well on the other one. Attached to his arms as well, right there. Both of them. And that is a not a clench fist anymore. It looks like it's a stance or like powering up. Because this is a Gameverse version of the Incredible Hulk. As you can see on the pants right there, it's really metallic, but still the same color, the purple one. And wow, really nice belt right there. We have a like a white circle around that purple on the belt. Nice tight details right there. Up here on the knees, you can see a silver highlight right there. So those are supposed to be the hinges on the knees, right? So you can bend the knees. That's his feet right there. And on the back, that head is really high up there, huh? More of the shorts right here, the purple shorts. It's metallic in appearance, and more of that bronze-like highlight in there inside the purple metallic shorts. Bronzer is also up here. Really nice details, huh? On those purple metallic shorts by our Gameverse Incredible Hulk right here. And this one is a different one. This is a zombified Hulk right here. It comes with other figures that is also zombified, much like the Venomized line right there. So these are the zombified line of Funko Pops right here. So this one is a zombified Hulk. And his face right there got white eyes. All other Hulks that we have black ones, with the exception of the Venomized half right there of the Venomized Hulk. This one, because it is zombified, the eyes are all white right there. And there are green skid marks on his face right there for effect. And as you can see, the teeth are somewhat yellowish. Perfect. Really zombie look right there. Still a bobblehead though. A bobblehead zombie right there. Look at the chest. He also has a green scar or a rip right there across the chest, signifying that it was ripped by another animal or another zombie maybe. The arms are not the same from the left and right. As you can see here, this one's protruding in the front and this one is clenched. Oh, there's more scars right there, more green scars, right? We also have one on the back area right there of the arm. The arms are pretty, they have holes in them right there, much like this part of the head. So his skin is really different from the other Hulks, somewhat like the texture of the moon in a sense, also on his body right there. So standard purple shorts, but ripped. You have rips of green as well right there. You see it properly right there. Also on the knees, there's a rip here near the feet on the left. So all ripped because this is a zombified Hulk. Feet right there on the back, pretty much standard. That's what I'm talking about when I say like a moon-like texture in terms of the skin. You got holes right there all over his body, on the arms and on the legs right there. Even on the head, he does only have half of a hair right there. And I think part of his skull is showing on this side, the white part right there. And on the top, yeah, the ears are also quite almost ripped out. Great details on this zombified Hulk right here. So there is our zombified Hulk right there. Now for measurements, our Avenger Hulk measures 9 cm right there, top to bottom. For the Venomized Hulk, including the hair, so that is 13 cm right there. For the Gameverse Hulk, that is 12 cm right there. And for the zombified Hulk, including the hair right there, 12 cm as well. So right there, 12 cm. And now for the weight, for the Avenger Hulk, $76.5 grams. For the Venomized Hulk, that's 132.4 grams. Wow, that's heavy. Gameverse Hulk, $138.3 grams. Zombie Hulk, $124.2 grams. So there you go guys, with our Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collection batch number 1. So these figures really look great, right? All depictions of the Hulk, the Incredible Hulk figure, very great. The Avenger Hulk, the Venomized Hulk, the Gameverse Hulk, and last but not least, the zombified Hulk right there. So which Incredible Hulk Funko Pop do you own yourself? Please comment them down below, alright? So we can also see what you got. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collection batch number 1. So watch out for the next batch, alright? So I hope you like our content today. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload our part 2 of this Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collection, as well as our other videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. I'll catch you guys on the next one.